Hi guys, so today's video is going to be first in what I'm going to call a relay series. Like I said, I want to do more challenges, and I think I've always enjoyed relays because it makes you swap from one type of solving to another very quickly. And I'd like to do a series on this, so maybe different kinds of relays. If you've got any ideas of any interesting relays you can think of, then put them in the comments, and I might try it next time. Today I'm going to start off with an easy one. I'm just going to start off with a 2x2 through 4x4. I'm hoping this will be less than 6 or 7 minutes, I think. It's been a while since I've done this all the way through, but I have been trying to get my cubing times back down again. So not much more to say really. I'm just going to get into it. I'm going to go from smallest to biggest, and I'm just going to keep these out of the way, just at the top there for now. And let's start the timer now. Okay, that's one down. Now 2x2 went quite well, as far as I could tell. I'm going to try and talk through this as much as I can, but I might get a bit distracted. But I think that's better than just silence as we go. My 3x3 time hadn't dropped as much as I thought it would while after I stopped cubing. I am going to make a short video on it at some point to say how my cubing has changed since taking my break, and especially on how that's affected my times and what algorithms I've forgotten, what I've remembered, and especially what's been kept in muscle memory. Okay, so there we go. It's the 2x2 and 3x3. Now to the 4x4. Now, I don't know if the fastest method for this. This is one I've always, well, not always done, but I've done for a long time. And that is matched up centres, same as everyone else, I'm sure. I'll just go for red first. Remember, red, white, blue. And get the second blue in. Now orange, that's already there. So there we go. It's the centres. Now I do the centre split and then try and match three sets of 3 like so. So there's the orange and green above the yellow. This is a relay, so I'm not going to make it too much for a tutorial, but I know there's going to be time where I'm spent fumbling around the cube trying to find the orange and yellow. The green and orange, sorry. Okay, now the red and blue. Let's put that there. Yellow and blue should go there. And then we've matched up these 3. Then you go off the one that isn't done. Let's go red and yellow. Put that there. And then red and white. Where's the red and white? There it is. And orange and white. Oh, put that upside down. Let's try that again. Okay, then you make the split again. I've matched up these, and actually matched up a 4th by accident, which can cause more problems than anything else, but let's try it. So green and white above the red, green and white above the red, orange and blue is there. Let's put that in, and then yellow and orange is there, and let's move them back, and we should be left with just 2. Ah, perfect. It's gone better than usual, and then you just do the swap algorithm here to get them in place. Right, let's see which parities we've landed ourselves with here. Let's try and do the 3x3 layer. I know there's ways of looking for parity earlier than this, but I always just go straight to making the cross and then seeing what we're left with. Okay, that's 3, and I got away with the bad one there. That's good. Let's see if we got the other one. Now I'm going to try and OLL and PLL this last layer, but I can sometimes get a bit lost with that. Looks alright. Now this is one of the terms I don't know, but I do know the two-stage version. Oh, there we go. Right, and stop. Now, I'm not sure what the time is. I'm going to put it there, but I think that was less than 5 minutes, so that's a pretty good time compared to what I was doing in practice. So I'm going to log these times. I'll make a table for future videos, and I'm sure down the line in the series I'm going to revisit old relays and see how I've improved or not improved. Okay, well that's it for now. Like I said, keep an eye out for more videos. I'm going to be trying to get at least one out a week, maybe two. I'd like to try and make higher quality videos, the preference, and really enjoy making them as well. So remember to put any ideas for relays down in the comments, and please like, subscribe, and happy cubing.